I'm here to teach you. I'm here to teach you Python programming, still on our topic statistics. Please, if this is the first time of you visiting my channel or coming across my video on YouTube, please I beg you kindly subscribe and hit the all notification button to get notified for every video we post on our YouTube platform. Okay, without wasting much time, our topic for today is median low. We've treated median high last time. Now we are treating median low. What is median low? Median low in statistics in Python programming is used to get the low median value of numeric data. Median low is used to get the low median value of numeric data. So without wasting much time, let's continue. First of all, I'm going to teach you with the comments statement so that you understand what I'm doing from our screen right here. So we are going to start with hash. Okay, let's start. Hash import statistics. Which means import statistics. Like it means we are going to import the statistics model. You just come down here and write the direct statement import statistics. Import statistics. Okay, we are done importing the statistics model. Now another thing is we need to create the numeric list where we are going to get the low median value. Yeah, we need to create the numeric list where we are going to get the low median value. So let's go. So create numeric list, create numeric list. Okay, list, assign square brackets. So okay, you can say 4 6 5. All right, let's say we go with the odd number first. 465. Now after that we need to calculate the median low value of this list. So what are we going to do? So now get the median low value. Now let's get it. Median low ml assign statistics dot median low, then list 1. So now the median low value is stored under this particular ml you see here. So now another thing now is to print the value for you to see. So we're gonna use print the value. Print the value. Now come here, type your print statement, print, open your bracket, ml. Now we are printing the ml value of this particular median. So let's go to our command prompt. Now let's type our py to execute the code. My file is called pytext.py. pytext.py. Now let's go. It's gonna give us our answer right now. gonna give us our answer. It's calculating the median low of the value. Okay, good. The answer is out. You can see our answer here from our calculation that we are having 5. We are having 5. From our calculation, you can see that we are having 5 as the median low, which means from here, the median low value is 5. Yeah. Now let's say we multiply this thing, we increase it. This is the median low value for odd list length. Now let's multiply it to 4. Let me say I come here, I put another 2 here. Yeah, let me say I put to that place. So let it be 1 2 3 4. That is 4 6 5 2. Now let's go get the median of that. Okay, let's go. Come here, hit the enter key. Now you just watch what is going to happen here. Okay, the median now is trying to get the median value from our list. Now if you observe, it gives us our median value to be 4 from here. To be 4. That is, our median value is to be 4 from here. Now you just watch from our code. You just watch from our code that it picks this 4 from here. You see? Now that is all about median low. So if please this is the first time of you watching my video on YouTube, I just beg you to subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the on notification button to get all notified videos that you're gonna post on YouTube. Thank you and God bless you. Thanks for watching. Please and please don't hesitate to ask your question in Python programming based on my video. I am giving you the assurance that I'm going to give you your reply. Thank you and God bless you. Please hit the subscribe button, subscribe and share my video, like and comment. Thank you and God bless you.